Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. It is day 2 of our big blizzard storm. So the temperature went down lower than expected last night. It went down to minus 16 degrees Celsius or 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, pretty cold. I'm going outside now to check, make sure all the greenhouses are okay. I already checked the plant room in the basement. The plant room went down from 21 degrees Celsius last night to 17 this morning, which is still, quite warm for an overnight low. With the lights on now, it should warm up again, hopefully to at least, 19, 20 degrees Celsius. So, yeah, so the plant room is fine. Everything's doing well in there. One thing that's kind of funny, down here, because the wind is so strong, it's blowing through the crack in the door here. And you can see down here, I have a model truck down here, and you can see the snow that's blown in through that crack in the door, just outside the plant room here. So it's very cold in this porch here, but the plant room's staying nice and warm. Down in the basement, everything's nice and warm down here. I don't know what the temperature is. I don't have a thermometer down here, but it feels quite nice, quite reasonable. I also did get some snow blowing in through the window here. Up there, that window, there's some snow blowing in through the crack in that. So, yeah, but everything's doing well down here. I did have to move my one ficus benjamina upstairs. I noticed the leaves weren't looking good on it. They were starting to get some cold damage, so I moved it upstairs. On the outside door by the plant room here, it's completely frosted over. It's got a thick layer of frost on it. All right, let's head outside. I'm going to go out the front door and we'll go check on the greenhouses. All right, let's step outside into the sunshine and the cold. So you can see we didn't get a whole lot of snow, but it was blowing and drifting. You can see around the cars here, see the drift there. Another big drift on this side. So I've got a bit of shoveling to do. Really have to watch it. You can get frostbite in these kind of temperatures really easily. You gotta kind of protect your face and skin. Yeah. There's a big drift by the fence here. You can see that. Everything's white outside. So I've been out earlier this morning. I checked on the greenhouse and it was below freezing. So I turned on the second heater to try and warm it up a bit. Look at this tree here. Wow. There's a lot of snow on it. Yeah, I turned the second heater on to try and warm it up a bit. You can see all the sidewalls are iced over. You can't see inside at all. The poly house did well. The roof hung in there. Didn't get a lot of snow on top because it kind of all blew off in the wind. The hedge is looking pretty spectacular. It's covered in snow. So it's still really, really windy out. You can see it blowing up here in the trees, blowing the trees around. Yeah, let's go inside, have a look in here. Oh. Well, it feels warmer in here than it does outside, that's for sure. So right now I'm at, with that second heater running, I'm at 2 degrees, so it's just slightly above freezing, which is kind of nice. I want to keep it, freezing, freezing to 4 degrees Celsius, so just above freezing in here is ideal for overwintering trees. Yeah, they all look like they're doing okay. Snow's slowly melting off some of them here. My birthday pine. I still have my jade cuttings in here. I think they did all right. Definitely on the cool side. I also have my tropical ficus out here. That's probably not a good thing, but oh well. I put them in front of the heater, so maybe they're still alive. Yeah, so everything survived the storm quite well. The wind is supposed to continue all through the day. The snow is going to go away, and it's going to stay cold for about another week. So we got cold weather ahead. Let's go have a look at the poly house. I won't open the door, but everything looks okay inside. Let's just have a look at the roof here. I think that's doing all right. It sure is nice to see a bit of sunshine though. That'll really help warm the plant room up a bit. I haven't seen very many cars out today. I think everyone's just staying home. Somewhere under here is all my bonsai pots. Kind of snowed in. I got a gift in the mail just yesterday. I didn't pick it up till this morning. Let's go in and have a look at it. Whew. So it's definitely warming up in here. It's 6 degrees Celsius, so 6 degrees above freezing. Oh, feels much better in here now. The pots, I noticed, are still frozen. But they'll thaw out a bit. Yeah, so I got a package in the mail. Very exciting. And it's from Candice and Emily from the YouTube channel Bonsai Science. Let's have a look at it. In the package here, there's a letter and some artwork. So let's look at the artwork first. This is from Emily. Here it is. Very nice, Emily. That is awesome. I like it. Nice colors. And there's a letter. Let's see what the letter says. Dear Mr. Nigel, I just love Christmas and I love you and your trees. I also love Santa. I asked him for a Barbie doll for Christmas. I don't know what you asked for, but you seem really good, so you will probably get it. Aw, thanks, Emily. I wanted to send you some of my maple syrup I make for my trees, not for my bonsai trees. In the spring, which I like better than winter, my grandpa puts taps in my trees. I check my buckets twice a day. When they are full, we pour them in our big syrup cooker. I help carry wood to the cooker to keep it going. I like to put it on ice cream and pancakes. I do too, Emily. I love it on pancakes and I love it on ice cream. This year I was visiting a farm nearby and they had their baby chickens and lambs, and I bought some of my favorite barbecue sauce to send you at Christmas. I hope you like it. Merry Christmas. Love, Emily and Candice. Aw, thank you very much. That's great. That is the spirit of Christmas. So let's have a look at the maple syrup and the barbecue sauce. So I'll just dig it out of here. So here is the maple syrup first, made from the trees at Emily's place. So check that out. This maple syrup, I love maple syrup, and I love the dark maple syrup, and this looks like a good dark one. The amber color has more flavor. It's more intense. Yeah, so this is going to be really, really nice. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you very much. And then there is some barbecue sauce in here. This is Govin's Farm Peach Barbecue Sauce. That is going to be fantastic. And that's in Wisconsin. That is awesome. So there's a look at the peach barbecue sauce. That's going to be nice.
Very nice. So thank you very much. And I hope Candice and Emily have a wonderful Christmas, and hopefully you'll get that Barbie doll. I was checking out the thrift stores the other day, and I found this. This is carved from a piece of stone. I don't know if it's like, it's kind of like marble texture, but it's red. I don't know if it is like a red marble or if it's some other kind of rock, but it's really, really nice. It's shaped like a bowl, and has like these edges that almost look like fabric or something on it. See that? And then on the front here, it has some very ornate design. It has like flowers and leaves and that come up. So really cool. $3.49. I thought I could plant like an accent plant in there, or moss or something cool. I was going to put something kind of marshy because I don't want to drill holes in the bottom. I'm just going to keep it as it is. And you know, you water it thoroughly, drain the excess water off, and it's good for the day. So yeah, I'll plant mosses and some plants in here. Yeah, it should make a nice accent planting. I've got some work to do here in the greenhouse, so once the weather warms up a bit in the next few days, I'm going to rearrange all the trees in here and open my spot up for making videos, so I'll be back to making bonsai videos once again. I want to wish everyone a happy holidays. It's been quite a year this year. I've had so much fun that the year just flew by so quickly. But it was a very enjoyable year, and I met a lot of people. And I feel very fortunate to be able to meet all these people in the bonsai community. So happy holidays, everyone. I hope you get some rest and relaxation, and you get to visit your families, and hopefully catch up on your bonsai videos. I've only had the heater off in here for a little while, and it's already cooling down. It's at least a degree now. So I'll have to put the heater back on for the night. It's going to be another very, very cold night in here. We are heading over to the chicken barn now to get an update on the chickens, ducks, see how they're doing in this cold, cold weather. So here we go. So here's the barn. It's all insulated. It's heated by lights in here. Okay, can I come in? All right, in I go. Oh.
Yes, I know. There's not much room. I got the seat in.
So here it is. Oh, it's fairly warm in here, isn't it?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. They're very quacky. There's all the little babies that are growing up down there. Cool. Hello, everyone. Hi. Wow. There's a lot of activity in here. Hello, hello, hello. I guess there's warmth in numbers, eh? Oh, here is Emily. This is Emily. This is your chicken. There she is. Oh, what a beautiful chicken. Hello, Emily. Ah,
You're so cute.
she's so cute looking. Yeah, so that is the chicken update. Thanks, Laura. We'll see you later. So that was today's update. The chicken barn. They're all doing well. That is a bit of an update on day 2 of our blizzard. It is awfully cold out there. Try and stay home if you can. If you have to go out, make sure you're bundled up, cover all your skin up. It's awfully cold and windy out there. So that's all for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.